動燃反應能源器。
Stand by. The launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集衝擊光炮。
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。各位乘客，前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以立即接駁閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? Busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅燃反應能源器。
Okay, fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻返去科技戰。
Jarvis, you need to lose some weight there,
唔
buddy.
該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器回復正常。
Just to be clear, this is not part of the tour.
如果燃反應能源器俾 Hydra 搶走，
I know, Hydra can't get the arc reactor. Whoa, get out of here. Go. ，Nice work. Let's get you back to the expo.
大家唔使驚，我哋一齊㗎。
Hey, miss me.
史達先生，
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Get him, Mark Jarvis. Blast him. Good job.
感應器顯示所有機械人已被毀滅。
All robots destroyed.
史達先生小心。
I am really. Go, go, go! I thought Ultron was tough. Okay, we need to take this thing out. Jarvis, how are we gonna take this thing out?
我哋需要增強火力，
More firepower? Time to unwrap the toys.
啟動所有無人駕駛鐵甲號。